The ocean is one of the most mysterious places on Earth, covering over 70% of the planet, yet still largely unexplored. Hidden in its depths are some of the strangest and most fascinating creatures you've ever seen. Creatures that look like they're from another world. From alien-like predators to bizarre deep-sea dwellers, the ocean holds secrets that will leave you amazed. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more incredible discoveries like this. Now, let's dive in and explore the top 5 strangest creatures found in the ocean. You won't believe what's lurking beneath the waves. Number 1. The goblin shark. The goblin shark, Mitskrina ostini, is a rare and fascinating deep-sea species, often described as a living fossil due to its ancient lineage, which dates back over 125 million years. This unique shark is easily recognized by its elongated, flattened snout, pinkish skin, and flabby body. Its most distinctive feature, however, is its highly protrusible jaws, lined with sharp, nail-like teeth. These jaws can extend forward dramatically to capture prey and retract beneath the eyes when not in use. A truly astonishing adaptation. The goblin shark typically inhabits depths greater than 100 meters, 330 feet, tall, often found near the seafloor in deep marine environments, including continental slopes, submarine canyons, and seamounts. Adult specimens have been discovered at depths exceeding 1,200 meters, 4,000 feet. It is globally distributed across the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans, particularly near regions like Australia, off New South Wales, Tasmania, and possibly South Australia. Its diet consists mainly of bony fish, squids, and crustaceans, which it hunts using highly specialized sensory adaptations. The underside of its snout contains the ampullae of Lorenzini, electroreceptive organs that detect the faint electric fields emitted by prey. This allows the goblin shark to locate and ambush targets in the pitch-black depths. Its jaw extension, the fastest of any known shark species, further enhances its ability to capture prey effectively. Despite its eerie appearance and formidable adaptations, the goblin shark poses no danger to humans, as it lives in remote, deep-sea environments far from human activity. This incredible creature is a perfect example of the ocean's ability to surprise and captivate us with its mysteries. Number 2. The barrel-eye fish. The barrel-eye fish is a fascinating and unique species, most notably recognized for its remarkable eyes. These bright green, upward-facing orbs are visible through a transparent dome on the fish's head, allowing it to spot prey above in the water column. Interestingly, the barrel-eye can also rotate its eyes forward when necessary, a characteristic that adds to its already impressive sensory adaptations. Inhabiting the twilight zone of the ocean, where sunlight diminishes into darkness, the fish's ultra-sensitive eyes are adapted to detect the faint silhouettes of potential prey. Despite its intriguing features, the barrel-eye is a small species, typically measuring only 6 inches, 15 centimeters, in length. Its diet consists mainly of zooplankton, with evidence suggesting it may also feed on crustaceans trapped in the tentacles of siphonophores. Once thought to have fixed upward-facing eyes, research in 2009 revealed that the barrel-eye can indeed rotate its eyes to the front, allowing it to view its food while feeding. The fish is primarily found in the twilight to midnight zones of the ocean, typically at depths between 2,000 to 2,600 feet, 600 to 800 meters, where it is believed to live a solitary existence. In addition to its extraordinary vision, the barrel-eye possesses large flat fins that provide precise maneuverability and the ability to remain nearly motionless in the water. Despite its unique traits, the barrel-eye remains elusive. Over 3 decades of deep-sea research and over 5,600 remotely operated vehicle (ROV) dives have led to just 9 encounters with this elusive fish by 2022. While little is known about its reproductive habits, it is believed that the barrel-eye engages in pelagic spawning, releasing eggs and sperm directly into the water. As a deep-sea resident, the barrel-eye is indirectly affected by human activities, underscoring the importance of environmental conservation to protect the fragile ecosystems that sustain these remarkable creatures. Number 3. The blobfish. The blobfish, Psychrolutes marcedis, also known as the smooth-head blobfish, is a fascinating deep-sea species that can be found off the southeastern coast of Australia, as well as in the waters surrounding Tasmania and New Zealand. Discovered in 2003 by marine ecologist Karen Parkinson during an ocean expedition off New Zealand, This unique fish thrives at depths ranging from 2,000 to 3,900 feet, 600 to 200 meters, where the pressure is 60 to 120 times greater than at sea level. Unlike many other fish, the blobfish lacks a swim bladder, a critical organ for buoyancy control. This absence allows it to survive in the high-pressure deep-sea environment, as a swim bladder would implode under such extreme conditions. Blobfish possess an unconventional anatomy, lacking a full skeletal structure and muscles, with their stomach located within their body. Their bodies are made of a gelatinous, density-lowered tissue that allows them to float just above the seafloor, adapting perfectly to the dense, pressurized waters of the ocean depths. Instead of scales, blobfish have loose, flabby skin, and their distinctive appearance is highlighted by large black eyes and a bulbous nose, with a globulous head that accounts for 40% of their body mass. While they can grow up to 2 feet in length, blobfish typically average around 1 foot long. Their closed circulatory system supports their unique physiology, and they reproduce slowly, with females laying up to 100,000 eggs in nests situated on rocky ocean floors in warmer waters. Blobfish exhibit low metabolic activity and passive hunting behaviors, preying on crustaceans such as crabs and lobsters, sea urchins, and mollusks, waiting for prey to drift within reach. With a slow growth rate and extended lifespan, blobfish can live for up to 130 years, making them a rare and long-lived species of the deep ocean. Number 4. The leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is one of the most intricately camouflaged marine creatures, adorned with delicate, leaf-like appendages that allow it to seamlessly blend into its seaweed and kelp-filled habitat. Native to the waters off southern and eastern Australia, leafy sea dragons are closely related to seahorses and pipefish. Their bodies typically display shades of brown or yellow, complemented by striking olive-tinted appendages that provide exceptional camouflage. Despite their ornate appearance, these leaf-like structures are not used for swimming. Instead, leafy sea dragons rely on 2 nearly transparent fins, one dorsal fin along their back and one pectoral fin near the head, that enable them to glide effortlessly through the water with remarkable precision. Reproduction in leafy sea dragons is a unique process, as males bear the responsibility of carrying and incubating eggs. Unlike seahorses, which have a pouch, male sea dragons possess a specialized spongy brood patch on the underside of their tails. During mating, females deposit their bright pink eggs onto this patch, where they are fertilized. The males then incubate the eggs for 4 to 6 weeks before releasing fully formed miniature sea dragons into the water. Leafy sea dragons primarily feed on small crustaceans, such as mysids, sea lice, using their specialized snouts to suction prey with precision. While they face limited natural predation, leafy sea dragons are increasingly vulnerable to human activities. Habitat loss, pollution, and illegal collection by divers seeking to keep them as pets have significantly impacted their populations. By the early 1990s, their numbers had declined so critically that the Australian government implemented full legal protection for the species. Despite these efforts, leafy sea dragons remain listed as near threatened, underscoring the urgent need for continued conservation initiatives to ensure their survival in the wild. Number 5. The sea pen. Sea pens, fascinating marine organisms belonging to the order Pennatulacea, are often referred to as living fossils due to their ancient lineage and unique appearance. Named for their resemblance to quill pens, sea pens possess a central stalk, or rachis, which anchors them to the seafloor. From this stalk, numerous polyps branch out, creating a feathery or plume-like structure, with each polyp performing vital functions such as feeding, reproduction, and gas exchange. These organisms inhabit a wide range of marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep ocean, favoring soft, sandy, or muddy substrates where they can firmly anchor themselves. Sea pens are distributed globally in both temperate and tropical waters. As filter feeders, they rely on their polyps' tentacles, equipped with stinging cells called nematocysts, to capture tiny plankton and organic particles drifting through the water column. Reproduction in sea pens occurs both sexually and asexually. In sexual reproduction, gametes are released into the water column, where fertilization occurs, while asexual reproduction happens through budding as new polyps develop from the existing colony. Sea pens play a crucial role in marine ecosystems by providing habitat and food for various organisms, including fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates, and contributing to nutrient cycling and sediment stabilization. Although many sea pen species are not currently threatened, their populations face increasing risks from habitat loss and degradation caused by human activities such as pollution and bottom trawling. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these unique and ecologically significant organisms. Sea pens, with their remarkable adaptations, intricate structure, and important ecological role, serve as a reminder of the delicate balance of marine life and the need for ongoing efforts to safeguard their habitats. Hope you enjoyed exploring these amazing marine creatures and their incredible adaptations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you in the next video.